Hello everybody, welcome to my review channel. Today I'm doing a review on a gaming headset made by TeckNet, sold by Headband stores on Amazon, sold on Amazon. It came in this box. Let's open it. Now this is it. It's adjustable. It has a nice soft memory hair pad. It has an adapter for the auxiliary cable, for the cables, and also the volume and on and off knobs here for the volume. It's for on and off. It doesn't come with a USB port, so it will not be lighting up. Or it came with a collapsible mic, which is quite good that it's collapsible. It's quite nice. I used it the other day and it was quite good. Very for the price, $14.99. It did pull a big bass punch. It has differentiating the left and right earpiece, so that you won't well, I don't know how you could, but so that you won't wear it back to front, basically. So it's quite good. It sounded great. It's a 3mm stereo with the surround sounds for games, over-ear headphones. It has a noise cancelling mic and LED lighting. Ooh, LED lighting. I did not see any LED lighting when I used it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect it again and we see the LED lighting. The LED lighting they're referring to. We'll connect it quickly. Because when I used it, I didn't see. We connected with these ones, so that because my laptop has both connectors. So this is for headphone and this is for the mic. Yeah, I didn't see any LEDs, and I still cannot see any lightings now. I've connected it. It's on the instructions here. It says not cancelling an LED lighting. I cannot see any LED lighting. Can you? Anyway, let's move on. It's quite powerful. It's got 40mm neodymium drivers, and it does deliver quite a big punch. It's got a nice nice deep bass to it. One cable sound control, keeps control close, and close at high end for quick and precise sound adjustments. Breathable performance spots cloth helps reduce heat and moisture buildup. It is light, it's quite light, which is good. That's one thing I like about it. Any cons? It's a bit plasticky, but for $14.99, I think it's quite good for $14.99. I like the shining TeckNet here. I did not see any light, but that's not why we're gonna be using it. Is to sound good. Anyway, I recommend it to everybody if you can look past the light issue. And some people don't even like lights anyway. So I'm gonna be posting a copy of the review on my new Facebook profile for review homes. I'm gonna be pasting the web link that will take you directly to TeckNet's Hippodrome. I said Hippodrome. That used to be a club back in the day. Ipedion stores, Ipedion storefront on Amazon. I'm gonna post a link at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested, please click it, and it will take you to their store. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be updated with all my new reviews. Leave a comment if you want, and click like, please, if you like my video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.